So here is the before of my model, and now here is me getting started. So as you can see, I've already taken a center section down the center of the back, divided the left side from the right side, and I have taken two A-line sections, which are the sections that I've combed down to establish the outline and the length that I'm cutting right now. So as you can see, I just finished cutting the right side, now I'm cutting the left side, and now I've established the outline and the new length for this haircut for the rest of the haircut. I'm going to then take more sections. You can see right here, I'm taking another A-line section where I'm going to comb hair down, and I'm going to use that previous section as my guide to establish the outline for the rest of the haircut. Now, I'm going to complete cutting the outline first, and I'm going to do that on both the right side and the left side, and once I've done the completion of the outline, at that point, I will then start the layering. cutting in the outline, it is time to cut in the frame the face layers. As you can see, I comb the hair straight down, I hold the hair in my fingers, and I simply use my scissors and freehand in the layers that I'm going for. So I kind of just take my scissors, kind of like a pencil, and sketch in. You can see me right there sketching in those layers. And what I'm doing is I'm working from the outline, from the bottom up to the chin jaw area. In this particular case, we wanted the frame the face layers to start at the jaw area. Now, sometimes you could have the frame the face layers start at the lips, at the cheekbone, wherever you want. In this case, we're going right there for the jawbone. Alright, so now I'm going to do the frame the face layers on the left side of the head. Basically the exact same thing I just completed on the right side, but of course now on the left side. Now it is time to do the interior layers throughout the haircut. So I'm taking a center section in the middle of the back, and basically I'm going to comb this section straight back. As you can see, I'm combing the hair right now straight back, and I'm letting the outline fall, meaning that I don't want to layer the outline because then I'm going to ruin the outline that I just got done cutting. So as you can see, that outline, I keep combing it down to make sure I've got enough outline there, combing the layer straight back, holding my fingers in a square position, and establishing that very first layer. Now that very first layer is the guide for the rest of the layers. So I'm taking a vertical section to the left and using that very first section I just cut as my guide. So I'm going to carry on and do this throughout the left side, and then I'm going to also do it on the right side. So now that I've completed the layers on the left side, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the right side. So you can see I'm taking a vertical section, combing the hair straight back, and I'm using that very first section that we cut in the center as my guide for the rest of the layers on the right side. completed blow drying the hair, it is time to cross-check the layers. As you can see, I am cross-checking the frame, the face layers right here on the right side. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side, as you can see right here. Then once I have completed cross-checking the frame, the face layers, I will go through and cross-check the interior layers. So we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on some long layers and frame the face layers. If you have any questions or comments in regards to this haircut or anything in general, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.